This is a video comparing the differences between two anti-fatigue mats, one by Gorilla Grip, that's the one over here on the left, the kind of a brownish color, and ComfiLife. They are both 3/4 of an inch thick. This one is the Gorilla Grip, it's like a taupe color, and this one is the ComfiLife. As you can see, there's a little bit of difference between the texture that you put your feet on top. This one has more of like a leather looking texture, like you might find it in an automobile finish. And the ComfiLife has more of a grid pattern, more of like a rectangular grid pattern. They both have about the same amount of traction. Neither one of them really is more sticky on top. As far as height off the floor, they are the same, but they have a few differences. One is the edge here. This edge here is a little bit more where you can see the bottom of the surface on the Gorilla Grip. The ComfiLife is closer to the floor itself. There's less of a gap there. But the main difference between these two is the Gorilla Grip is not designed to be anti-slip. The surface on the bottom is a little bit different, whereas the ComfiLife is designed to stay in one place because of the coating on the undersurface. You'll notice some key differences here between the Gorilla Grip and the ComfiLife. The Gorilla Grip is more of like a bumpy foam than it is like a rubberized mat like the ComfiLife is. The ComfiLife, you can actually see the shine on the rubber, and it has like this zigzag pattern to it. And it's more of a rubber texturized. When I rub my fingers across it, they don't really want to move. Whereas the Gorilla Grip, I can slide my fingers over it pretty easily. Now, the Gorilla Grip will stay in place for the most part, but if you were to really push on it, I can move it. Now, that might be something that you want. Maybe you don't want it to be so much in place, but this is not designed to be an anti-slip mat. Where the ComfiLife, if I go to push this, move it down, it doesn't move. The ComfiLife is intended to be flat, stay flat, and not move. ComfiLife is more of an anti-slip. Gorilla Grip is more of a comfort, move around a little bit. The ComfiLife here is the gray color, and the Gorilla Grip here is the taupe color. Both 3/4 of an inch thick. It even states right on the front of this packaging for Gorilla Grip that this is not slip resistant. Wipe it down with water and discontinue if the mat edges curl up. But it is comfortable. They both are comfortable.